Hi everybody, it's Haley Zavaro. Today I want to show you Flipgrid and I want to show you how to open a grid for your classroom. So let's start with a quick reminder of what it is. Flipgrid is a platform where students can upload their videos and have a video discussion.
I've been using Flipgrid to engage my learners and getting to know each other in a virtual setting. I have a lot of students at the high school level who feel uncomfortable with their cameras on, but feel more confident in being able to post a Flipgrid video that they can take and share at their own pace. So that's one thing I've been doing to engage learners and to amplify their voices.
So I just love how Flipgrid has this certified program where teachers can simply upload videos and talk about what they do with Flipgrid in their classroom. And so you can really get a good glimpse of the effect of Flipgrid in the classroom.
I think student voice is important because student voice is how we better prepare our students to become global citizens. So essentially, by empowering students to use their student voice, allowing them to feel empowered to choose and allowing them to feel empowered to share their thoughts and opinions in the classroom space and beyond is how we ensure as educators we are raising our next generation of active global citizens.
And I really love all the ideas here on Flipgrid Certified. So basically what students can do is they can comment on each other's videos and really have a thread of discussion. So if you don't have a Flipgrid account, simply go to flipgrid.com and click sign up. Then you'll need to just sign up with your either Google account or Microsoft account. You need one of them. As you log in, you'll have groups and topics. So what you want to do is click topic and then add a topic. Then you want to give it a title. Let's say speaking about Harry Potter, for example. Here you want to write the instructions, and you definitely want to be very, very accurate and specific when you give the instructions, because in distance learning, students don't have you right beside them to tell them if they are on the right path. So make sure your instructions are very clear and concise, and you also want to write number 1 and then number 2, etc. Then you want to give some kind of a medium. It could be a picture like GIF animation, and you want to write something related to the actual topic. I select, and then there are a few options to do this. So if you have really, really young students that don't have email addresses, you want to change and you want to do student username. And if they have email addresses and they can log in with their Gmail accounts, you can choose public. So let's choose public and see what happens. Well, the default option is to have topic moderation, which means that you would have to approve each and every video in the topic before the other students see it. So this is actually good if you want students to privately send you a video and then you just do not confirm, you do not approve that video, and you're the only one who can actually see it. This is where you set up the recording time. 2 minutes, it's pretty good. If you have something, you can do it shorter or longer. It really depends on the age. The maximum is 10 minutes. And depends on the topic as well. Comments, you want to allow video comments, or you can also allow video and text comments, or just text comments. It's up to you. And closed captions, you want to leave it on if it's English, or off if it's something else, or just off completely because it's quite confusing. It could be. And this is the public option. And then students would have to log in with their Gmail addresses or Microsoft email addresses. Now, if your students are very young and don't have email addresses, you want to choose student username. And what you want to do here is just add their names. Another option is to just add a default name like student name, and then just come up with a password like 11 or 123. Click add and just tell all your students to write 11. The code is 11 as they go in, and then they won't have to actually insert their email addresses, and that will be just a smooth a smooth transition into your Flipgrid. And so that's another option. Another option is to do the guest password. You can add a password for parents, for people who want to come and visit that don't have the 11 password. I don't have this password here. And that would just protect it more. And of course, you can also just continue adding names of students and give each one of your students a different password, a different username. And that's it. You can add topic moderation if you want to moderate the videos and create topic. This is the link to send to students. So if students actually log in from a browser, all they need to do is write flipgrid.com/9705169 in this case, and this should look something like this, flipgrid.com/ and that specific number for your grid. Then all they need to do is insert the code that we gave them, which was 11, and then go, and they are in. In order to record their video, they simply click on the video. Here we have specific instructions. They click on record a response and they start. Another option is for you to give students this code and tell them to log in from their phone, so they can actually download the Flipgrid app, and then you give them this code. This would be the code to enter to the Flipgrid, and then another code, which was the student code, in this case 11, to enter and log in completely. So students just need to click here and the video will start recording. And then what you want to do is you want to teach your students how to record. That is very, very important. But before we go there, I want to show you something else for educators. In your Flipgrid, if you click on Gridpals, you will be directed to a place where you can actually find teachers around the world who want to collaborate on Flipgrid. And so you can find teachers from Italy, from the States, and from France, and each one of them actually has a little profile. It tells you who they teach, what students, grade level, the subjects, and then you can also contact them on different social media. Some put their Twitter, some put their Skype contact information, some put their Facebook, some just put their email, and you can contact them. So that's really cool if you want to have one grid for 2 classes or more. And you can also just scroll down and see the list of teachers who are willing to collaborate that have a grid account. So what you want to show students is how to upload a video. Tell them and show them, demonstrate and model that you need to click on the video, smile to the camera, click on effects, and just try out the filters. And you have different filters to try, and students really, really love this part. They love trying the filters. That actually makes them more engaged and participate more. After they finish choosing a filter, they click on the X and they click effects, and they can choose other things too. They can choose stickers and frames. If they click frames, they can find different frames, really cool ones too. Go back, and they can even add text. And they can move it around. They can change the styling, make it smaller, make it bigger, and just write anything related to the topic that you're teaching. And if they already have a video that they recorded, they can click options and then upload clip, and they upload a clip. Another thing shy students can do is use the mic only, and then they actually are not seen. They just record their voice. In order to start, they actually need to click this button. 3, 2, 1. Hi everybody. Pause. And then they can continue clicking again and continuing their video. They can look at their notes and continue, and then click next. Hi everybody. If they like it, they click next again, and from they can change the word student to their actual name. give a link perhaps if a link is somehow relevant, and a description. And then they click submit and the video is uploaded. By the way, if they don't like the photo shown here, they can select frame and then choose another frame from the video. They are all pretty much the same, but this could be funny. And they can also take a selfie, and they can also upload a photo and add name tag. And then submit. It's uploading. And success. And they can also download their video or download just a cover image. This is a direct link to their video right here, but some students think it's a direct link to their to everything, but it's just for their video. And then done, and the video is on the grid. That's it. So you, the teacher, will be able to see it. And just in case you chose the moderation option, students won't be able to see it until you approve the moderated videos. And so when you log into the topic, you will see all your videos here, and you will see whether they are active or hidden. So you can always hide them if you think there is a mistake, or if you don't want to approve them, just don't make them active. So I hope you liked this tutorial. If you liked it, click the like button and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.